Hi everybody, today I'd like to show you how to string a Babolat Pure Drive, 16 verticals, 19 horizontal with Pro Stringer Digital. So I've pulled one through each side starting from the middle. Now I'm going to pull through a second one. And now I'm going to clamp the string . Clamp the string that has two strings to each side. There you have it, I've pulled the first two. I'm just going to clamp right in the middle so I can tense every string individually from now. And there you have it. That's how to start a racket with your flying clamps.